everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting to another flip through of one of my digital kits. These are short videos, less than 5 minutes long, where I show digital kits that I have made, just kind of a flip through of the pages so you can see the details, learn a little bit of the backstory, and decide if you want to purchase it. The links are in the description box below for both the digital and the printed version. The printed version has free shipping to the United States. This is called Birds and Bees. It is one of my favorite kits. I absolutely love how it came out. And the idea was inspired by the lovely Yvette, one of my wonderful crafty friends. She commissioned me, asked me to create a journal, and then just gave me some ideas and parameters that I used for this lovely kit. There's lots of grays and blacks and whites, and then birds and bees, laces, berries, just all sorts of things that make you think of birds and bees. These are the journal pages. They're 8.5 by 11, so they're meant to be folded right in half and put into a 9 by 6 or thereabout sized journal. Of course, they can be cut down or resized since you get them as JPEG images. Love these old birds and the beautiful different insects, gorgeous florals. This page is absolutely stunning. These pages are stunning in a journal. Here's a little bee background page. I've seen many journals made with this digitals from other artists, and they're gorgeous. I had so much fun with this little page because of the digital lace pocket with the little ephemera pieces tucked in behind. As you fold it in half, you can see that's what it will look like on that side. Beautiful stationery note pages that you could either cut in half and use as stationery, or fold in half and use as journal page, or you could even fussy cut out those sweet little birds and use them somewhere else. I love just the slight hints of this pinkish burgundy. Gorgeous layering. Love the little bees flying around the birds. It was a challenge to incorporate both the birds and the bees, and to make it feel like neither one really stole the show, but that they worked together throughout the whole kit. This page is fun with just one bee on each side. Some gorgeous script and beautiful florals. They can be used together as a kit or just the individual pages. Here's another bee page, whether you're doing a bee journal, a bird journal, a nature journal, or an eclectic journal. Had to throw in a couple of owls just to change it up a little bit, and I love owls so much. Some of my favorite birds. Love the texture on this. We have 3 ephemera pages that come with this kit as well. Some rounded corner tags. We have birds, a flower, and then the little honeybees. There's also some labels. We have 2 little bees, a little hummingbird, and then a bee there. Some fussy cut owls, a vintage journal card, and a little note card writing journal. The second ephemera sheet has a whole bunch of different journal cards, a little thoughts, a larger label, and some different sizes here with birds, bees, and I love this little today's notes. This looks really cute on a journal cover. I've done that as well. The third page has a library card, so that would look beautiful at the end of the book or the beginning, wherever you like to put your library cards. This is also gorgeous on the cover of a journal. And there are 3 little cute labels here on the side. I hope you enjoyed this. You can find it in the playlist with the other digitals that I have shown so far, and you can find all the links in the description box below. Please give this a like and subscribe if you have not.